Okay, question 26 for Practice Provincial B. A hot dog stand owner makes a profit of $100 when he sells 90 hot dogs a day. He has a loss of $30 when he sells 25 hot dogs a day. Which linear relation represents his profit? Alright, so in a roundabout way, this is really just telling you 2 points of a line. Okay, the first piece of information tells us that if I sell 90 hot dogs, I make a profit of $100. If I sell 25 hot dogs, I make a profit of negative $30. So this is really a graph of profit, so call this profit versus number of hot dogs. Okay, and we want to know which of these linear relations expresses the information we're given. Well, since these are just points on a line, one of the first things we can do is we can calculate the slope. That'll just be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. In this case it would be, let's go 100 minus negative 30 over 90 minus 25, so we have a slope of 130 over 65. And which, if we can calculate this, which we can in this section because we are allowed the use of a calculator, 130 divided by 65, this is going to be 2. So we have a slope of 2. Now looking at all the equations we have here, the only one with a slope of 2 is D. So the answer for 28 is going to be D. And let's check. 28, the answer is D. Okay. This just really required you to know, to sort of, I guess, understand that the information that they give you, this, I'll highlight it in a different color, this $100 when you sell 90 hot dogs is just a point on the line, and the $30 that you lose when you sell 25 hot dogs is also another point on the line. So this first bit of information is this point of the line, and this second information is this point of the line. Okay. And when you have a line, all you really need to do is figure out, well, what is the slope, and that'll help you decide which of these answers it's going to be. Okay. Now if you want to check to make sure the answer actually is D, you can always pick one of these 2 points and put it back into the equation. So let's pick the first one, and let's just do it really quick. So I'm going to pick the first one here, and I'm going to check my answer. So this says that if I make $100 based on selling 90 hot dogs, if I calculate this equation, this will be 100 equals 180 minus 80. This is 100 equals 100. So our check works. This point works. Okay. If this point works, then we can assume that the other point will also work. So this is good. We've shown that D is the correct answer.